meditate. Meditation can be as simple as doing something like deep breathing or complex as repeating a mantra or doing transcendental meditation. Any activity that helps to quiet the mind could be considered a meditative activity. Even sitting outside and quietly watching the world go by. Meditation or mindfulness, body scan walking, loving kindness, and transcendental meditation. Different types of meditation comes with different benefits, but some benefits include reduced anxiety, improved self-control, better self-care, and less pain. For beginners, one can start with 1 minute and gradually work their way to 15 minutes until they reach their 30 to 45 minutes goal. Thank you.